this is David Kim, specialist of GRP panel tank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to compare with the UK product, comparing UK and Korean product together. Okay, let's get it. The United Kingdom, like Japan, has a higher specification than Korea. The British standard is listed in BS 13280, the characteristics of which are as follows. The panel flange is 90 degrees and the tie rod is finished inside with a tie rod bracket. Korea standard, the initial product with reference to the Japanese product, but developed similarly to the British specification. The Korean panel is more diverse than UK, so the upper panels with a lower water pressure over 3 meters height uses a 1.5 and 2 meter panel. The British panels, on the other hand, use only 1 meter or half meter panels. Let's get it. As you see, this is UK tank. You may know Balmoral. This is one of the leading company in UK, also well known in the Middle East and worldwide. So if you see this image, basically they use only 1 by 1 meter panel, and this is for external and internal brackets, internal tie rod. So this is mixed system, mixed reinforcement system. As you see, they use external ladder with a cage. Also, there's no concrete foundation that we have in Korea. So they have 3 types of the foundation systems. I mean, if you see this is like same like Korean. In case we need to put the concrete foundation for assembling. This is called EFB, external frame base. In case this, we need all the space more than 500 mm. In Korea, there's a specified with 600 mm, the regulation. But BK, I think this BK regulation is 500. So we need some space for assembling. This is one type. Second type is this is flat. So there is no the concrete foundation. Concrete foundation is just as flat type. In case all the panels will be assembled internally, but we need some space for external assembling for the wall and roof panel. The third one is wall and bottoms is like internal system, but roof is also internal system, but we need to have some space for some other facilities like plumbing and something like that. So there are some more options than Korean. So let's try. The flats are, the foundation is flat like that. So space efficiency is more than Korean one. So in this case, we need only flat panel. We can save, we can use more space. This is good thing. But there's a steel box frame. So instead of flange bar, there's no flange bar between here. They reinforce box, steel box and bracket and finishing here. If you see the detail of this thing, see, this is a steel box. Tube, I think, tube bar. Every joint of the panel. And tie rod bracket also. But one thing, they use half panel lower level first because this is a stronger than 1 meter panel, and put 1 meter, but they put angle bar horizontally to reinforce this level, which is the highest water pressure of the tank. They put also tie rod around 1 meter height, and what else? Like that. This is something different with Korean style. The same thing is the panel number of bolt are 8 numbers, which is different with Japanese. Japanese is around 16, above 12 I think, but this is number 8, same like Korean. And they use round roof support, and for, I think, good leather, external and internal. I think I can show you some more photos with Malaysian people. They also followed some of this system for their product. Okay, today we have compared with the UK product, which is higher specification than Korea, but there are some similar and different things between Korean and UK products. So maybe this is useful information for your understanding GRP panel tank. If you like my channel, subscribe and put a like and send me email if you have any inquiries. Thank you. See you next time.